In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze and track your social media activity using Google Analytics. Getting insights into your social media performance is crucial, and with Google Analytics, you can gather detailed data to boost your strategy effectively. So let's get started. First, head over to Google in your browser. If you're not already signed in, click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Log in using your preferred Google account by entering your password. Once you're in, locate the Google Apps menu, which is the grid of 9 small squares in the upper right corner, and click on it. You might need to hit the next button on some prompts to proceed smoothly. Now from the menu, click on Google Analytics. This is where all our tracking magic happens. When you land on the Analytics page, look for the Explore option, usually found in the sidebar, and click on it. This will direct you to an area where you can customize and analyze your data. In the Explore section, click on the option to create a blank report. Once you're in, it's time to start building our exploration. Begin by clicking on the plus icon under the Dimensions column. Here, you'll want to search for Session Source and Landing Page. These two dimensions will give you insights into where your social media traffic is coming from and the pages they're landing on. After selecting them, click on Confirm. Next, move over to Metrics, still in the left-hand panel, and click on the plus icon. Adding the right metrics is essential for catching specific data about your social media, specifically Facebook data, if that's your focus today. Make sure to choose metrics that align with your goals, like page views or session duration. Once your dimensions and metrics are set, it's time to arrange your report structure. Navigate to the Rows section, usually beneath Dimensions, and select both Session Source and Landing Page from the drop-down menu. These selections will ensure your report is displaying data correctly filtered by our earlier selections. To dive even deeper, let's set up some filters. Scroll down to the section labeled Filters. Click the plus icon and choose Contains from the options listed. This filter will help us zero in on specific social media sources. Let's type in facebook.com in the field provided and click Apply. Applying this filter refines your report, so you're specifically tracking data from Facebook or any other site you specify here. And there you have it, you now have a customized report in Google Analytics that helps you track and analyze your social media activity, providing you with invaluable insights to enhance your online presence. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check in regularly to keep your strategies sharp and effective.